Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to install Ampere app from Play Store. So I'm gonna enter Play Store, and here we have to search for Ampere. Now we have to install the app. As you can see, it installed, so now we can open the app. And now we have to click consent, OK, and health of our battery is right here. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!